morning, guys. How do I look? It is currently 6:40 a.m. on Saturday, April 7th, and I just woke up. If you're wondering why I look like this, it's because I slept in my tanner last night. I'm gonna go take a shower and then we will come back and clean my room a little bit, make my bed. I like put on black sheets when I sleep in my tanner. That way I don't get anything on my real sheets. That's where I keep my normal sheets when I have my tanner on. And look, I look normal again. Sort of. I don't know what this lighting makes me look like. I talked about this lotion in a recent haul and I've been using it since then and I really, really like it. Just putting some lotion on my legs and my body. Don't worry, I put it on my arms too. Just didn't show that, but I did. And then I put my comfy pants on. These are from TJ Maxx. I am opening up my blinds and getting straight to making my bed. As I said, I like to put dark sheets on my bed when I sleep in my tanner just so that no tanner rubs off on my bed sheets, especially because they're white. That would be really bad. Also, ignore the random stain that's on the side of my bed.
Kiss me hard, forget them judging eyes. Who cares about what is to come? No, I don't fear the night.
Now, typically when I wake up, the first thing I'll do is have coffee, but today for some reason, I'm super hungry. So I'm gonna start off with this oatmeal, instant oatmeal original. And then I'm going to the gym at 8, and then after that, I'll come back and have like my breakfast.
Let's show him what it is to be alive.
Look at my coffee drinking partners. Look, one of them is on my mug. Look, it's you. No, not that. Look, that's you. Hi, Sal. I love angles like this of dogs. Hi, guys. So it is currently now 8:54 a.m. I was supposed to go to the gym with my friend Zoe at 8, but that didn't happen, and now she's not going to the gym, so it's just me. Since I was running a little late, I only had like 40-ish minutes at the gym, but I wanted to share what I did with you because even though it was a quick workout, I also was sore for like 3 days after, so it was also a good one. Y'all know I'm not a big fan of running, but for some reason today, I just felt like going on the treadmill, so I ran on there for like 20 minutes and I felt great after.
Too fast to prepare for days. Tripping in the world could be dangerous.
As for the ab workouts, you can totally do these at home. You don't need a bench to do this, but I just found it gave me a little more depth, which is why I'm on the bench. I'm doing V-ups. I did 12 to 15 of those and then immediately went into leg lifts, but I added a little like pop, like that little pop. You really feel that in your abs, you really do. And again, I'm on the bench just so that I can get my legs a little lower, but you could totally do this on the ground. I did each exercise for about 12 reps and completed that superset 4 total times. Okay, on to the next superset, tricep, whatever you want to call it. I started out with leg lifts holding a weight. If you can tell, I love leg lifts. They're just one of my favorite ab workouts ever. I love finding different variations of them. I did 10 of those, and then I hopped into a side plank, did 10 pulses on each side, and I completed that superset for 4 complete sets as well. Single leg, double leg is 1 rep. I did 5 reps for 4 total sets. I tried this a while ago, maybe a couple months ago, and I would eat it constantly, and then I haven't had it in forever. These are just, I'm sure you know what it is, the Kodiak Cakes. I like the buttermilk one, 14 grams of protein and only 3 grams of sugar, which is pretty good. I don't like eating them with syrup. Well, I do like eating them with syrup, but it's not as healthy because it's a lot of sugar. So what I really like to do is spread some peanut butter on them. I think it's super tasty, and it's also some added proteins and some good fats. So a little tip, I like to mix it in one of these little measuring jars. That way you can easily just pour it onto the pan. Here's my finished breakfast. Like I said, I like to put peanut butter on there, so just put a little bit of peanut butter on each layer, and then I sprinkled some strawberries on top. Super yummy. Hi guys, so it's now 12:39 p.m. I know this is kind of going into like an afternoon, not just morning, but I am going to get my hair redone pretty soon in a couple hours, and so I want to take you guys along and like see what it looks like before and after and everything. When's the last time I saw you? I was eating breakfast. Okay, so after I ate breakfast, I finished up my taxes, which so happy to be finally done with that. I know I'm really late, but I got it done. And then I had a protein bar because I was so hungry. And then I came upstairs and I took a shower, like a body shower. I didn't wash my hair because I'm going to get it done and they're gonna wash it, so that wouldn't make any sense. So I took a body shower, changed into some comfy clothes, and now I'm about to do my makeup. And then I'm going to put away my laundry. feel like I really don't look that much different. I really didn't do much. I just put a little bit of concealer on, a little bit of bronzer, some highlighter, some blush, and then like mascara and a little bit of eyeshadow. So that's my look.
Come and move that in my direction. So thankful for that, it's such a blessing, yeah. Turn every situation into heaven, yeah. Oh, you are.
Here is a quick little outfit of the day. My sweater is from TJ Maxx. My jeans are from J. Crew. My shoes are from TJ Maxx, but they are the brand of Steve Madden. But I really gotta get going because I'm running late. So I'll see you guys soon. Hopefully with new hair. What's up, guys? Can we just like... That's what I have to do when I don't put my contacts in, but it's also sunny out. I just got to my hair appointment. I have to run because I'm like almost, well, I'm not late, but I'm gonna be late if I don't hurry up. And I'm so excited. This is what my hair looks before. That's what it looks like. And the next clip will be what it looks like after. This lighting sucks, so I'll totally show you again later, but what do you think? It feels so much lighter. It feels so much nicer. Hey guys, it's actually 2 days later. I know I really suck at ending these sort of like vlog morning routines on the day of. It's now Monday. I just got home from work and I'm actually about to, here, I'll sit down. I'm about to film a cleaning out my purse video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you really like these sort of like vlog styled morning routines, I also did a vlog styled night routine back in December. So I'll have that link down below if you want to check it out. And if you want more videos like this, let me know. And I think that's all for right now. So I love you guys and I will see you in my next video. Bye.